Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2000 BMW 1150GS. This is BMW's full-size sport adventure motorcycle. It has the 1130cc fuel-injected boxer twin engine, 5-speed transmission. This is a salvage title bike. Has a dent right here under the GS. Very small cosmetic flaw, but the bike is totally straight. Great suspension, Ohlins shocks front and rear, new Metzeler tires. This odometer, speedometer has been changed. Unknown exact mileage, but the owner is thinking right about 110,000 miles. ABS brakes works flawlessly. This was the loaner bike at a dealership in San Jose. Bike runs perfectly and a great deal at only $21.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.